Good morning students. Welcome to today's online class for maths 9th standard, that is the topic name polynomials. Here already you learned in previous classes or in earlier classes algebraic expression. This is the algebraic expression, this is the second one algebraic expression, this is third example, fourth, fifth and sixth. This is the algebraic expression. Here what is the algebraic expression means, you see here this is the algebraic variable term is there. Here along with variable term constant is there. Here this is the algebraic expression. Here polynomial means here this is the power, variable power is equal to 2. Here variable power highest power is 3. Here highest power is 2, highest power is 2, here highest power is 1 by 2, here highest power is 1, here next number is 6, here highest power is 0. See, here in this algebraic expression only one term is there. In this algebraic expression two terms are there, only positive sign and negative signs are separated by the terms. Here positive sign is there means left side of the positive sign one term, right side of the positive sign another term, two terms. So positive and negative signs only separate the terms. Here this is here highest power of the variable is 2, highest power of the variable is 3, highest power of the variable is 2, highest power of the variable is 2, here highest power of the variable is 1 by 2. Square root of x is nothing but x to the power 1 by 2. Here highest power of the variable, here root 5 x, highest power of the variable is 1. Here there is no x term, it means x to the power 0. X to the power any number to the power 0 is nothing but 1. 1 into 5 is 5. Here this is the power of the 0. Here it means either these are all called polynomials. See, polynomials. See, this is not polynomial. 5 root x is not a polynomial. Why it is not polynomial? Power of the variable, you see, power of this is a variable x, either x or y or z or any variable. Power of the variable is always a whole number. Power of the variable is always a whole number, then it is called. Here whole number means natural number along with 0. Whole number means from 0 to natural counting numbers. Here 2 is the here whole number. Here highest power is 3 is the whole number. Here highest power is 2 whole number. Highest power is 2 whole number. Highest power is 1 by 2. It is not a whole number. This is a fraction. That's why it is not called polynomial. Here x to the power, there is no power means 1. Here also whole number. X to the power 0 means it is any number to the power 0 is nothing but 1. 1 into 5, 5. Here power 0 is nothing but it is also whole number. Suppose here example x to the power 3 plus square root of x. Either it is a polynomial or not. Here highest power of the variable is, you see, this is highest power of the variable is 3, okay. Another term is there. In this term, x power is 1 by 2. It is not, therefore, it is not a polynomial. It means in any algebraic expression, any one of the term, in any algebraic expression, all the terms of the algebraic expressions are expressions in all the variables are having the powers whole numbers. Then it is called a polynomials. In polynomials, there are types of polynomials. See, here terms of polynomials. You see, this is the polynomial. Here highest power variable power is 3, variable power is 2. Here all are whole numbers. Here variable power is 7, here 1, here 2, here 3, here constant. This is also polynomial. Here x to the power 2, x to the power 1. This is also polynomial. In polynomials, how many terms are there? You see, this is first term x square sorry, x cube, comma x square, comma 1. These are the three terms. Here this is plus and minus signs are separated the terms. Here how many terms are there? This is x to the power 7, comma minus x cube, comma x square, comma x, comma 2. These are the terms. Here I am writing in decreasing order. Here x to the power 7 first, next x to the power 6 is not there, 5 is not there, 4 is not there, next x to the power 3 is there. Here x to the power 3 is having minus sign, that's why minus x cube. Here x square, here there is no sign, means plus sign. Here x, here x. Here x square and minus. See, these are the terms. In this polynomial, how many terms are there? 3 terms. In this polynomial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. See here 1, 2, 3 terms are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Here only 2 terms. Next fourth one, x. Here only 1 term. Here the polynomial is, see here this polynomial is having 3 terms, this polynomial is having 5 terms, this polynomial is having 2 terms, this polynomial is having 1 term. Here see, a polynomial is having only 1 term. 1 term here, a polynomial is having only 1 term, it is called monomial. Monomial. A polynomial is having 2 terms, it is called binomial. A polynomial is having 3 terms, this is trinomial. A polynomial is having 4 terms, that is quintinomial. This is like this in your syllabus, monomial, binomial and trinomial. These are the in your syllabus. Next you see, in binomial means 2 terms. Binomial means 2 terms. Monomial means only 1 term. Trinomial means 3 terms. This is the terms of polynomial. Next degrees of polynomial. Here this is the polynomial, because why? Because here variable power is 3, this is a whole number, variable 2 is, this is a whole number, variable power 17 is there, whole number, variable power 7 whole number, here 6 whole number, here 2 whole number. Here there is no variable, means x to the power 0. X to the power 0 is nothing but this value is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. This is the constant polynomial. You see here, first here degrees means in this polynomial how many terms are there? This is first term, this is second term, this is third term. Here there is no x, means x to the power 0 is there. In this first polynomial how many terms are there? There are 3 terms. In second polynomial how many terms are there? X to the power 17, next minus 1. In third polynomial x to the power 7 and minus x to the power 6 minus plus x square minus 2. In last polynomial 2 x to the power 0. See here, in this polynomial how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. In these terms you see here x to the power 0, x to the power 2, x to the power 3. Highest power of the variable, what is highest power? Is equal to 3. Therefore 3 is the degree of the given polynomial. See, in this polynomial 3 terms are the first one is x cube, second one is minus x square, third one is minus 1 is there, minus 1 is nothing but x to the power 0 is there. Here x to the power 0, here x to the power 2, here x to the power 3, here 0, 2, 1 powers, these are the powers. In out of these powers, which is the highest power? Highest power is 3, therefore 3 is the degree of the given polynomial. Next here second one. Here x to the power of 17 and another one is minus 1 number is there. Here minus 1 means here x to the power 0. You see 0 and 17, highest power is highest power of the variable is 17. Therefore 17 is the degree of the given polynomial. This is the degree of the given. Here next, third one, here x to the power 7 minus x to the power 6 minus 2 plus x square is there. Here x to the power 7, this is plus n, no need to write plus n. Here x to the power 6 is minus sign is there. Here minus 2 is there. Here x square plus sign is there. Here there is no x term means here 0. Here powers means 0 is there, 2 is there, 6 is there, 7. Highest power is how much? Highest power of the variable is 17. Therefore 17 is the degree of the given polynomial. Seventeen is the degree of the given polynomial. Next here 2 to the power x, 2 into x to the power 0. X to the power 0 means there is here, this is the constant, this is the only term, variable term is what is the power 0. This is called here power is 0. This is called constant polynomial. This is constant. Why? Because simply number is there, 2 is nothing but you see this is 2 is nothing but this is given number 2 is equal to into x to the power 0. X to the power 0 means 1. Here 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. This is the constant number is there. This is constant polynomial. See, this is the constant polynomial. 2 is a constant polynomial, 17 is the constant polynomial, minus 5 is the constant polynomial, square root of 2 is the constant polynomial. These are the constant polynomials. These are the numbers. Suppose 0 is there. This is not constant polynomial. This is 0 polynomial. When a polynomial is only 0, that is called 0 polynomial. Next, types of polynomials. Next, types of polynomials. In polynomials, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. These three are in your syllabus. Next, highest power, that is different. In next higher classes you will study. See here, the highest power of the variable is 1. The highest power of the variable is 1, then this type of polynomial is called linear polynomial. See here, this is the linear polynomial example. Here x to the power, there is no here x term. Variable is x term, variable is y term, variable is p term. Here power of the variable x is 1, power of the variable y is 1, power of the variable p is 1. Power of the variable, highest power of the variable is 1, then it is called linear polynomial. Then it is called linear. Otherwise here, suppose here 3y. It is also linear polynomial. Power of the variable is 1, not coefficient of variable. Power of the variable is 1, then it is called linear polynomial. This is the example for linear variables 3. Next, what is quadratic polynomial? See, quadratic polynomial means here same definition. The highest power of the variable is 2. Instead of number 1, 2 you write. Then it is called quadratic polynomial. See, same definition. Linear polynomial means the highest power of the variable is 1. Then it is called linear polynomial. Here for quadratic polynomial, the highest power of the variable is 2. Instead of 1, 2. then this type of polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Here for quadratic polynomials examples you see x square power highest power of the variable is 2 plus x plus 1, this is the one example. X square, this is the second example. X square minus 1, this is the third example. See here in this polynomial, this is the polynomial. Here highest, this is a x variable, this is a variable. Highest power over here, there is no power means 1. Here 1 is there, here 2. Highest power of the variable is how much? 2. Therefore it is called quadratic polynomial. Here x square, only one term is there. Highest power of the variable is 2. This is called a quadratic polynomial. Here x square minus 1, here there is no x term, here x to the power highest power is 2. This is quadratic polynomial. Next cubic. The highest power of the variable is 3. Instead of 1, you write 3. The highest power of the variable is 3, then it is called, then this type of polynomial is called cubic polynomial. It means cubic polynomial examples x to the power 3, comma, x power 3 minus x square, comma, x power 3 minus x, comma, x power 3 minus x square minus x, comma, x square power 3 minus x square minus 1, comma, x power 3 x square minus x minus 1. See, in this polynomial, this is the only one term is there. This is only one term, that is x cube. Highest power of the variable is 3. This is cubic polynomial. This is the polynomial. You see here x cube minus x square. Here power of the variable is 2. Power of the variable is 3. Highest power is 3. Therefore it is also called cubic polynomial. Next example. You see here x cube minus x. X cube minus x means here x to the power 3 is there. X to the power, there is no power means 1. Highest power is 3. Therefore it is also called cubic polynomial. Here x cube minus x square minus x. Here x to the power, there is no power means 1. Here power 2. Here power 3. Highest power is 3. Therefore it is also called cubic polynomial. Like this, here highest power is 3. Then it is called cubic polynomials. This is linear polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial. This is cubic polynomial. Next exercise number 4.1. Next exercise number 4.1. In that first main, which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer. See, here there are 5 problems are there. Which of the polynomials are linear polynomial and which are not? Give reasons for your answer. First one you see, here either it is a linear polynomial or not. See here polynomials, not linear, polynomials in one variable. See, polynomials in one variable. First you see here, this is the x to the power 2 is there, x to the power 1 is there, x to the powers are whole numbers. This is polynomial. Here x is there, only x. It means this is the one variable, polynomial in one variable. This is the polynomial in one variable. Here in this variable, you see only y term is there. Here this is root 2 is there. This is not a variable. This is constant. Here only one term is there, y. See, one variable y. This is only one variable. This is also polynomial. Nomial in one variable. Third one. See here variable is t. Here square root of t is nothing but t to the power 1 by 2 plus t into square root of 2. Here t to the power 1, here t to the power 1 by 2. This is not a whole number. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. Why? Because t to the power 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is not a whole number. not a whole number. Next, see here, fourth one. Here y plus 2, y to the power here 1 is there. This comes upside. This is power minus 1. It means here y to the power minus plus 1 is there. Here y to the power minus 1. Minus 1 is not a whole number. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. Next, fifth one, x to the power here, there are, see here, there x term is there, x means one variable, y another variable, t another, 3 variables are there. Here, the, x to the power 10, this is whole number, 3, y to the power 3, whole number, 50, whole number. Therefore, polynomial in 3 variables. This is polynomial, in 3 variables. This is the first main. Second main. In 4.1 exercise, second main. Write the coefficients of x square in each term. Write the coefficients of x square in each term. Here, this is the first problem, second one, third one, fourth one. Here, x square term is there or not? First, you see, this is the x square term is there. What is the number behind x square term? There is no number, means coefficient of x square is, this is plus 1. No need to write plus. Here, coefficient of x square, here x square term, this is x cube. They are asking only x square coefficient. Here, coefficient of x square is equal to minus 1. Here, coefficient x square term is this one. X square coefficient behave except x square, what is there? That is coefficient. Coefficient of x square of x square is equal to pi by 2. Here coefficient of x square is equal to, see here x square term is not there. It means coefficient of x square is 0. See, 0 into x square, 0 into any number is 0. That's why coefficient of x square is 0. Here, this is the second main. Next, third main. Here, give the examples for binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. Binomial means 2 terms. That polynomial is having 2 terms. You see here, this polynomial is having 2 terms. It means first term x35. Degree means 35 is compulsory. What is the degree of the polynomial? 35. 35 is compulsory. Binomial means another term you write either less than 35 power. Another term you take x power less than 35. Otherwise 1. This is the binomial. 2 terms are there. This is binomial. Highest power is 35. See, binomial means 2 terms. Degree means 35. Here take x power 35. First you write for x power 35. What is the another term? 2 terms. Binomial means 2 terms. Less than 35, you take any power. X to the x power 35 plus x power 34. This is also binomial. See, x power 35 plus x power 34. This is also binomial. Otherwise, 32. This is also binomial. 31. This is also binomial. Any one, you write any one of the example. Next, monomial means only 1 term. This is only 1 term is nothing but x to the power 100. This is only 1 term. This is called monomial. Power degree is 100. This is example for binomial. This is example for monomial. Next, write the degrees of the given polynomial. Here 4 problems are given. 1, 2, 3, 4. Degrees of the polynomial. You see here, this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third. You see 5x square, 5x cube, 4x square, 7x. These are the terms. In this term, power is how much? Power is 3. In this term, power is 2. In this term, power is 1. Highest power is what? 3. Therefore, see, 5x cube first term, 4x square second term, 7x third term. Here 3 terms are there in this polynomial. 5x cube, here power of the variable is 3. Here 4x square, power of the variable is 2. 7x, power of the variable is 1. In these powers, which is the highest? 3 is the highest. 3 is the highest. Therefore, degree of the given polynomial is 3. Degree of the given polynomial is 3. Here second one. See, second one. Here this is how many terms are there? One 4 is there, another one minus y square is there. There are 2 terms. Here there is no x, y term means y to the power 0. Here y square. Here power of the variable is 0. Here power of the variable is 2. Highest power is what? 2. Degree of the polynomial, you write like this. Power of the variable is 0, power of the variable is 2, like this you write. See, here 4 minus y square is there. Here 4 means, here y to the power 0 is there. Y to the power 0 means 1. 1 into 4 is 4. Here highest power of the variable is 0. Here power of the variable is 2. In out of these 2, which is the highest power? 2. 2 is the degree of the polynomial. This is second one. In this polynomial, there are 2 terms. This is 5t. 5t is one term. Another one is minus root 7. Here there is no variable, means here variable what is there? T. As it is, you write t to the power 0. Here see, power of variable is, there is no power means 1 and 1. Here power of the variable is 0. Highest power is 1. Therefore, degree of the polynomial is 1. Next, here 3 is there. There is no variable, means x to the power 0. X to the power 0 is nothing but 1. 1 into 3, 3. Here this is the only one term, 3x power 0. Power of the variable is 0. When power of the variable is 0, then it is called, it is number is there, then it is called, this is constant polynomial. This is called constant polynomial. Next, fifth main. Next, in 4.5, fifth main, classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Here there are 7 examples are given, which is linear polynomial, which is quadratic polynomial, which is cubic polynomial. See here, first one. This is the polynomial. In this polynomial, how many terms are there? One is x square term, another is x term. Here power of the variable is 2. Here power of the variable is 1. Here see, which is the highest power? 2 is there, 1 is there. Which is the highest power? 2. 2 means power 2 means here how many terms you see? Linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Here power of the variable highest power is 2. Therefore, this is quadratic. Here highest power of the variable is 2, therefore it is quadratic polynomial. This is first one. See, next, third one. See, second one, x minus x cube. Here, how many terms are? First one is x, second one is minus x cube. There are two terms. In first term, power of the variable is 1. Second one, power of the variable is 3. Therefore, here highest power of the variable is 3. Therefore, it is cube. Therefore, it is cubic polynomial. This is cubic polynomial. Next, third one. Here, this is the polynomial. How many terms are there? This is one term, this is another term, this is another term. Here there is no variable, means y to the power 0. Here, power of the variable is 1. Here power of variable is 2. Here power of variable is 0. Here highest power is what? See here, highest power, here 1 is there, here 2 is there. Highest power of the variable is highest power of the variable is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic polynomial. See, this one is here. What are the first term is 1, here second term is x, here x to the power 1, here x, there is no x, means x. Here power of the variable, you see here, you write in your homework, power of the variable is 0. Here power of the variable is 1. Highest power is what? 1. Here highest power of the variable is 1. Highest power is 1, it means linear polynomial. This is linear polynomial. This is linear polynomial. Like this you have to write here power of variable. Here highest power of variable is 1. Next, therefore it is linear polynomial. You have to write like this. Next, here only one term, that is t. Here there is no power, means 1. Power of the variable is how much? 1. Power of the variable is 1. You see, only one term is the power of the variable, 1 is, it is highest power is, that is, it is called, therefore it is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. This is linear polynomial. Here 7x2, only one term is there. Here power of the variable is how much? 3. Only one term, power is 3. Power 3 means highest power is 3. Therefore it is cubic polynomial. You have to write like this. First term here, first term x to 1 is there, number is there, x power 0 is there. Here power of variable is 0. Next, x power 1, there is no power means 1. Here power of variable is 1. Highest power of the variable is 1. Therefore, it is linear polynomial. Here 3, only one term is there, t power is 1. There is no number means 1. Here highest power of the variable is 1. Therefore, it is called linear polynomial. Here 7x cube is there. Here only one term, power of the variable is 3. Therefore, it is called cubic polynomial. This ends the 4.1 exercise. Next we shall see next topic, that is zeros of a polynomial.